In this video, we're exploring the 4 best cordless screwdrivers for 2025. From power and efficiency to ergonomic designs, these models are sure to make your DIY projects easier. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 4. Worx W U292D Electric Screwdriver. The Worx W U292D is a powerful 20-volt brushless impact screwdriver that delivers an impressive 150 Nm of torque. Its compact 114mm body and lightweight design, weighing only 1.2 kilograms, make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces and challenging work conditions. This screwdriver is designed to tackle a wide range of applications. It can effortlessly handle 40mm plus self-tapping screws and M14 standard bolts. This tool provides maximum speed of 3,200 revolutions per minute and a frequency of 4,100 beats per minute. The 3-speed control design allows you to adjust the output based on your specific working conditions, ensuring high efficiency and optimal performance every time. Equipped with a quick loading hexagon chuck, this screwdriver allows for tool-free quick installation, saving you time and effort. The soft adhesive handle provides an effective anti-skid grip, ensuring comfort during prolonged use. The integrated LED light lets you work without fear of missing spots in the dark, making it perfect for all your projects. Stay informed with the power display, which allows you to monitor the battery level at any time, ensuring you never run out of power unexpectedly. With over 60% improved battery life per pack, you can work longer and more efficiently. Number 3. Makita DF12D and TD22D Screwdriver Drill. This versatile tool features a 7.2-volt lithium-ion battery and comes equipped with a 1/4-inch hex impact driver kit. With the Makita DF12D and TD22D, you can experience true cordless convenience, making it perfect for on-the-go projects. The Makita DF12D and TD22D is not just an electric drill, it also doubles as a cordless screwdriver, making it ideal for a wide range of household tasks. Whether you are assembling furniture, hanging pictures, or performing basic maintenance, this electric drill is your reliable companion. One standout feature is the built-in folding hand flashlight, which ensures you have adequate visibility in dimly lit areas. No more struggling to see what you are working on. With its compact and lightweight design, the Makita DF12D and TD22D is easy to handle and maneuver for precision tasks. This makes it a favorite among both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The ergonomic design ensures comfort during prolonged use, reducing user fatigue. Plus, the included carrying case makes transportation and storage a breeze. Powered by a high-grade Makita motor, this electric drill delivers a wide range of speeds, making it suitable for various tasks from drilling to driving screws. Number 2. Dewalt CD703 Electric Screwdriver. The Dewalt CD703 is a 12-volt brushless cordless, 5-in-1 drill and driver designed for exceptional versatility in all your drilling jobs. With its compact design, this tool improves access in hard-to-reach spaces, making it the perfect companion for various tasks. This remarkable tool features 4 dedicated attachment solutions. The 1/4-inch hex right-angle attachment allows you to drill and fasten in confined spaces with ease. For challenging corner spots, the 1/4-inch hex quick-release offset accessory delivers high performance. Conveniently load your 1/4-inch hex accessory bits using one hand with the 1/4-inch hex quick-release attachment. You can also tackle precision applications like drilling small pilot holes with a 3/8-inch ratcheting chuck attachment. Keep your bits close at hand with the built-in 1/4-inch hex magnetic bit holder and brighten dark workspaces with the LED footlight that illuminates your working area. At less than 5 inches long and weighing only 0.7 kilograms without the battery or attachments, this compact tool offers professional-level usability with 2-speed transmission and 15 clutch settings for the control you need to complete a variety of projects. Whether you are drilling holes into wood, fastening under sinks, or working in cabinets, the Dewalt CD703 is highly adaptable. Its attachments allow for 90-degree drilling and unrivaled corner access, making it ideal for hard-to-reach areas. Number 1. Devon Cordless Screwdriver Drill. The Devon 5208 is equipped with a brushless motor, delivering superior efficiency and a longer lifespan. This means you can count on it for all your renovation projects without worrying about wear and tear. With dual-speed torque adjustment, you have precise control for various tasks. Whether you are working on delicate projects or tackling heavy-duty applications, this drill has you covered. Boasting a robust 50 Nm maximum torque, this drill is ideal for heavy-duty applications, making it an essential tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Achieve a swift 1,700 revolutions per minute, ensuring quick and efficient drilling and driving tasks. Say goodbye to frustrating delays and hello to productivity. The Devon 5208 features a rechargeable battery platform that shares batteries with other Devon tools, simplifying your power source management. This means less downtime and more efficiency for your projects. Designed for comfort, the ergonomic design reduces fatigue during prolonged use, while its compact size and lightweight build make it easy to handle. The Devon 5208 is not just powerful, it is also user-friendly, catering to both professionals and those who enjoy DIY projects. Versatility is key. Whether you are drilling holes or driving screws, this drill is your perfect partner in renovation tasks. The intuitive controls make it accessible and easy to use. There you have it, the 4 best cordless screwdrivers for 2025. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, one of these tools will definitely get the job done. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and product roundups.